So you might be in this random situation where for some reason your iPhone or your Android, whatever you have, no one is able to join your Wi-Fi hotspot. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and make sure your hotspot is on. So open up the settings of your particular phone. You want to go ahead and find where your Wi-Fi hotspot options are. So you can click on cellular on your iPhone. You should be able to find a hotspot option here. If you have a certain other phone, you can swipe down from the top right, and you can even hold down on the top panel here, and there should be like a personal hotspot option even on your Android phone. And if you go ahead and find it, you want to go and just tap on it and make sure that your Wi-Fi hotspot is on. Now, if you're able to make sure it's on, the next thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that when other people are going through and trying to find your hotspot, you want to go and make sure they're logging in with the right information. So within your hotspot option, there should be a panel that looks something like this, and it should be able to tell you your password and all this other stuff. So all you want to do is make sure that those people who are logging in with your particular account, like logging in with your Wi-Fi hotspot, you want to make sure that they are logging in with the right information. Because if they're not, well, then that's going to be another issue that you might run into as well, and you might want to make sure that that's not the problem. Now, the other thing, you may have to restart your phone. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your device. Go inside to power off, give it a few moments, power back on, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it too. And if that still doesn't fix it, you may want to make sure that your cell phone provider supports personal hotspot on your phone. So you can call your cell phone provider, whether it's T-Mobile, AT&T, whoever it is, and you might just want to make sure that they also are able to, make sure that you have hotspot, because if you don't, well, then that might be the issue. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.